Hey. We're doing a vlog. Yeah? We're outside once again, doing our vlog, talking our shit. We're gonna take you with us. We're going to VR today.
That's
we're gonna take you guys with us. Then we're gonna go to Korean BBQ to eat some Korean food because
some hot pot food. Why are you doing that?
If you're thinking why are we in shorts and that, it's literally because like
it's 26 degrees outside.
It's actually, but it's not cold, but it's not hot. We'll see you guys in the cab.
Bye.
Guys, we're on our way to what's it called? Otherworld VR in Hackney. We're gonna see what it's like. Apparently, like you can win points and then get free drink.
Yep.
So, where's the drinks at? Using the phone as the camera, yeah.
Screaming like that.
Because I'll be screaming.
Nah, guys, everyone can hear you if you scream, and I know you. I'm going to scream.
Straight scream and shout.
But we're doing something there. Might not, innit?
I don't want to. Look,
yeah, because I don't want anyone to scream.
Exactly.
Do your thing. Your names, please. You can put your name, you can do something funny, as long as it's appropriate, we don't mind.
Guys, these are the videos. I mean, these are the things that we're using.
So guys, we just came back from the VR, yeah. Can't lie, we had fun.
Like,
they even gave us extra what?
Yeah,
20 minutes.
Extra, like,
10 minutes, then another 15 minutes.
Yeah, for like 5,000 minutes. I was like,
probably will run up to 30 minutes.
No, but we played this cooking game, guys. I was in love with it. I can't lie. We was in love. I was like, get the order.
No,
right.
I liked it, yeah, but I felt like I kept dropping the flipping thing, and I didn't know until late that you could use both hands, one to hold and one to chop.
And then we played zombies. No, zombies were scary. I can't lie. Zombies felt too real. I just died.
Zombies were scary. It's a good thing you didn't go to Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hey!
Oh. I went in the start of that, and then we got through the little bit, and then I was like, yeah.
Nah, 5 Nights at Freddy's? Nah. Me and Charlotte said, let's get me out.
Because at the end I was like thinking, nah, this is how it be in a zombie apocalypse. I would die. I was like, this is how it be. I was going
the animatronic would scare me, but I died in real life.
Yeah. Nah, it's when I got the thing, I was like,
ah. Hey, welcome back.
Exactly.
That was fun, dude. That was fun. We'll be coming back.
We'll be coming back. It's fun. It's fun here. I want to try other worlds as well because obviously, like the girl on TikTok was right. The time was there, but I thought it was gonna go like slow. Put some points, yeah.
So we're gonna get drinks. I want to see how much.
And it gives discount.
Yeah.
This is how you order it. Chose this one, Pixel Punch, spice from apple and strawberry. See how it says. But this one also sounded nice though. They got one for a martini, and this one sounded okay because it's got elderflower and prosecco. Guys, let's give them. Oh wait, look my hair.
It's an aftertaste. I don't know what to say it tastes like.
Dark one, spice. This tastes like spice one.
It does, but there's a different taste.
And apple.
It's nice.
It's refreshing as well.
And we didn't tell them the price, did we?
Oh no, it was £12 with the discount. But basically, because we wanted to tip them, we're going £5. Don't you feel like? So we're on our way to the K-Town.
K-Town.
But don't you feel like if you're living in London, they're releasing new bugs. I don't care what they say. Them bugs weren't here when I was a kid. Them bugs weren't here. I've been living on this earth for 24 years.
Nah, because
they're releasing new bugs.
I've seen badgers now, and I've seen some next animal recently. Didn't get to see it properly, but I didn't need to. Bats, badgers, new type of badger-looking thing, and it's enough.
It's actually
you can stay hidden. Can't lie.
Just trying to find the train
station.
Get some of that lighting in.
Oh wow.
Lift.
Yes, it's lift to platform 7.
No, why are we being lazy?
Stairs. I don't even like lifts too tough.
I'm actually bare hungry. Can't wait to see the food.
Shout out my mucus. Can you know that be my slime? Shout out my mucus. That nigga, that be my slime. That nigga, that be my slime. What?
That's pork, so Italian. What is this? Fried tofu, fried shrimp something. rice cake. There's rice here. Yeah, egg and vegetable for rice.
Bodies on shine, tail bars on shine, tail. I feel like a Gucci athlete. Go to the Coca-Cola, my sky, Coca-Cola. My fellas on it, can make Garfield. I ain't really fucking.
Guys, now we're about to cook the show. Cook it. Now I'm about to cook the meat. This is the raw meat. This is chicken thigh, spicy chicken thigh. What's this again? Beef. This is shrimp. So I've got pork under there. And we got the onions and stuff. We got the seasonings there. Noodles. Wings. I already started tearing up one of the wings. So nice. Rice. Sauces. We're ready.
Tryna beat me, but bigger never in your life. Even if you had it, my sneakers like power and like body nigga watch me disgusting. I'ma do him dirty like a wing worm. Why they be talking like my life? I better get try me
I'm saying this is how you know we go together real bad. Look what we're doing.
Me and Sean at the same time we were putting on the garlic and the onions together because we just knew.
The scallion pancake. Just got some big stuffy scallions. I don't know why it's doing that. Look how big. Look how big this is. It's just in the pancake. I don't like that. Guys, we got knife and fork and chopsticks. I hope they can hear me.
We got knife and fork and chopsticks. These rooms are busting.
Yeah, busted. Oh, I haven't tried that one yet. Noodles, man.
What's that? Maybe basically there's only two types of rice in it. Just normal steamed white rice and then egg fried rice. But the egg fried rice I just see sweet corn in it and carrot and beans, green beans in it. I don't see no egg. That's how I'm saying it. But the noodles bust. We're not turning over the food. Okay. But yeah, I mean, forgetting about the food we're cooking. We ain't wasting nothing and they charge you if you waste.
Yes. Guys, I'm happy they give you two options. Use chopsticks and a knife and fork.
Top part they force you to use chopsticks.
I don't like the scallion pancake. I don't care for it. You don't taste like the one in hot pot.
The hot pot when it's flat. This ain't flat.
Yeah, I don't like this one. When it's dry and cold.
Tastes plasticky.
Oh, the kimchi. What do you think? Go for it.
I'm only gonna go another round, I know that. Like for a little bit more and then have dessert.
Guys, this is what it looks like now. It smells really good. Mine, guys, barbecue. We got the rest in there.
Guys, this food's slapping, I can't lie.
Sorry, but it has to be well done. I don't play around with chicken.
The guy has to come and change the grill. Already.
Oh, it's burning?
I like that lamb.
Nice burning.
Oh shit, that's burning.
Oh, this chicken looks good. Oh my god. Chicken. Slaps for me. The burnt part to it. It's spicy a little bit. It's also spicy now. The chicken's my favourite so far. I'm not gonna lie. The beef is nice, but the chicken, I don't know. I think it's spicy. And the wing.
The wing.
Oh, the wing, yeah. The wing is fat. I need more juice.
Same.
Guys, look at mine. You can see Charles, look at mine.
That the pork is nice as well.
You don't eat pork. Oh, good though.
I need to make the pork.
Yeah.
Guys, yes, I'm getting their food. Yes. A belly full. Belly boss.
Yeah, guys, I think it's good. Can't lie. The wings.
Oh, the food was good, yeah?
Food was good. And we tried a bit of everything, which is good.
We had pork, chicken, beef. I said it was lamb beef, shrimp. I didn't really like the one that with the shell on. I like the fried one, but I didn't like the shell on one because it got too salty.
Yeah, the
on
fried
thing.
one was way better.
Yeah, the battered one, yeah.
Getting onto the train now. Gonna go back home.
I want to make much noise, man. People.
But yeah, now we're just literally just going back home. We're tired.
Tomorrow's a day.
I'm sorry, my arms are hurting now.
Alright, everybody.
See you tomorrow.
One people.
Hey guys. So,
You know I can't. Yeah. You still can't see? No, you're blind. At this point, yes, you're blind.
today's Tuesday. We're gonna go Rooftop bar for brunch. Enjoy ourselves. Drink some. Guys, I can't lie. I want to get wine.
I want a cocktail, but I want wine as well. But I want cocktails.
When we get in the cab, we'll talk a little bit more.
Yeah.
And yeah.
We'll see you guys soon. And we're actually on time today.
Stop the cap.
Yeah.
All these please, guys. Please. Is he actually police? I just guessed.
police.
I didn't even know it was police. It could have been the ambulance. I'm tired of seeing police. They're everywhere now. Why are they on the streets? They're trying to distract us from the truth, guys. They're trying to distract us.
Alright, guys. We'll check in again in a minute.
Looking for the truth, I told her find it.
Guys, we're mad late.
So it's like, because it looks bare posh in here. So I was like, I'm not going to argue, I'm just going to cry. In the car, she was saying, I'm going to argue. She used to know. She's trying to take money. And I'm not in here, like, come on. But no, I'm not doing that.
Nigga down with a line. Then these niggas said it to my pet, they ain't lying. 4-5, watch our niggas start dying. I don't need no motherfucking check and no handout. You say that you up, how the fuck is your man down? Me and Chase scored 2.
So guys, we're at the Rooftop bar now. It's a vibe. It's really nice.
I'm getting the crispy prawns and the barbecue tenders £30.
Oh, yes, please.
So that slow down. That nigga a nerd, he in fear when the hoes round. And I'm back up in my own house. When these niggas talking, I'm like, yeah, we pull the balls out. Roll out, we might go down, cause I show out. Think I'm better than these niggas, and that's not out. We love her.
Guys, the triple nice. The drink.
Slaps.
Oh, the comment too. Chicken is okay.
They got prawns, crispy prawns, wings. I don't remember what wings are called then.
Didn't say barbecue chicken. These little red things are saying it's a barbecue, but
Battered prawns, I like them though. Me and Sean needs to start getting small plates when we go out, yeah? Because we always get big plates and we never finish them.
yes, that's what we're doing now.
That's why we only got 2 things and then we got chips, rice.
Yes, I'm a beast. I eat like a beast, and I don't feel bad about it. To me, yeah, once the ice cream thing, whatever the thing was in the middle, the ice thing, once it melted, that's when the drink got even better to me.
I mean, it's the opposite, you know. I like it with the ice. Because when I first drank it, I was like, When I bit into the ice cream bit, whatever it is, I was like, makes sense. Like, I want to do it at the same time.
That's word search for my chips. Literally word search. The chicken's not nice. Like after a while, like, just want to drink now.
Like, comment, subscribe to our channel, guys. And also, you need to let us know what you want to see. We're going to keep doing what we want to do.
Yeah.
Like eating.
Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on our social media.
Someone did.
Who?
Some guy. Bye. Talk to you later.
Thank you. Thank you. Everyone was so nice in there, not gonna lie, there was just kids because they were pretty.
Well, people. I feel like I'm always saying that now.
That's what you're saying.
We out here in Trafalgar, looking for the hoochie daddy.
I don't really listen to the song.
Can't take a hood nigga anywhere.
Nowhere.
The weather, it's giving very much rain. I'm giving very much no jacket. We're gonna get to some rooftop thing, yeah? But basically, it just seems long to go because why did you have to sign in?
Why am I staring at the wall like that? Sign in for what? You see my face on your camera, that's enough signing in, no?
I'm signing in to go to a park. Speak to them.
Sing to me, let me sing, I love.
We're on a stroll. We're on a Tuesday afternoon.
Strolling.
Strolling on Tuesday afternoon.
Strolling. And you know, it's actually quite gay. There's that horse on the floor.
Yeah, it's not.
Have
Have you not seen that?
Look at the skin.
It's given.
Yeah.
Everyone that stares at us, I'm putting them in the vlog.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's your annoying.
Because why are you staring?
Because now you're going to vlog.
They want to be in it.
You want to be in it?
You wanna be in there? Come say hi then. Okay.
That's why I'm putting them in it, because why looking? No, I understood. Do you understand why I was walking there in the first place?
Yes, because there's pigeons.
Yeah, no, and squirrels. And now they're all look, it's given enchanted. Show them, it's given enchanted.
I'm busting up. Oh, Johnson.
Look at this one coming up.
Why are you coming so close?
Guys, I don't like pigeons. Like, I don't like them. Anything that flies pisses me off. I'm actually scared of birds. I don't know where Sharon is. And you hear them calling for their mates now. I heard someone scream. Probably because of a pigeon. Oh, there she is. Ew, why is there so many of them?